Hi everyone, today we're gonna go through Happy Birthday song on the violin. I'm gonna play through once and get closer to the camera and you get to see my fingers. You start with D string, having your bow balance on D string, no pressure on the right hand. And then first finger ready. 3, F sharp is 2. Fourth finger A, G. This is high D on A string. Flip your bow over just a little bit, not too big of a deal. And then B, G, F sharp. Now this note on A string is C natural. It's closer to 1, not where the third finger is. Come back to 1. That will become C natural. And then fourth finger again. If you were to, let's go back, if you were to place your second finger up here, would sound like this. So you want here. Now let's review the names of the notes on D string. D is 0, 1 is E, F sharp, G, A. A string is A, 0, B, C sharp, C natural, C sharp, D, E. Now, also you can add a little bit for the rhythm. That could be done on the right hand. So instead of happy birthday, you can go happy birthday. So there's a little bit of skipping rhythm, and your right hand needs to be a little quicker. Happy birthday to you. See you next time.